again welcome you to the Line Dance 101.5 instructional video series. I'm Chocolate Platinum and I will be presenting dances to you, classic dances. This is the classic series. The dance that I'm going to teach is Mr. Sexy Man. So I'm going to turn around, I'm going to do it at several angles, and then I will teach you. Hopefully you'll learn how to do the dance. Okay, so the dance starts with the right foot. You're going to cha-cha up. Right foot. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. So you're going, this is the count. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. I'm going to do it from the side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. All right? Then you're going to kick. Kick right, kick left, slide in. Left, right, slide in. 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick, kick, slide in, right. Kick, kick, slide in, left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Kick right, kick left, slide in. Kick left, kick right, slide in. All right, so let's take those two parts and put them together from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Kick, kick, and slide. Jay, what? Kick, kick, and slide. Next step, you're going to do 2-step turns. Step, half, turn. Step, half, turn. 5, 6 with steps together. I'm going to put them all together. Do it one more time. Step, half, turn. Step, half, turn. Step, half, turn. Step, half, turn. We're starting at the 12 o'clock wall. I forgot to tell you, I'm going to use it like a clock. This is 12. This is 3. This is 9. And this is 6 behind me, opposite. All right, let's do it from the top. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Kick right, left, slide in. Left, right, slide in. Now you're going to do 2-step turns. Step, turn, step, turn. Next step, you're going to lean 2, 3 to the right, lean 2, 3 to the left. So you just lean and put your flavor in it. Lean. 5, 6, 7, 8. Lean 1, 2, 3, 4. Lean 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's take it from the top, from the beginning. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Kick, kick, and slide. Say what? Kick, kick, and slide. 2-step turn, step, turn. And lean, 2, 3, 4. Lean, 2, 3, 4. Slide right, slide left. That's the dance. So let's do it again. Let's do that slide. Slide right, slide left. 4-wall dance. So we're going in this direction, to our left. All right, so let's do it from this wall. Let's do it one more time from here. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Kick right, left, slide right in. Left, right, slide left. Step, turn, and lean, 2, 3, 4. Lean, 2, 3, 4. Slide right, slide left. Now I'm going to do it on this wall. 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half, turn. Kick right, left, slide right in. left, right slide left in. Step, turn, and lean. 2, 3, 4. Lean, slide right, slide left. Now let's put some counts with those steps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's the whole dance. Let's do it again. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Cha-cha-cha, step, half turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half turn. Kick right, kick left, slide right in. Left, right, left in. Step, turn, and lean. 2, 3, 4. Lean, 2, 3, 4. Slide right, 1/4, slide left. We're going to do it one more time. But let me go over some of the steps so that you can see what I'm doing. So, cha-cha-cha and triple step means the same thing. So if I say cha-cha-cha, step, half turn. Cha-cha-cha, step, half turn. That's the same thing as saying 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8. Okay? Now you're going to do the kick, kick, and slide in right, kick, slide in left. Kick right, kick left, out, in. Kick right, kick left, out, in. Kick left, kick right, out, in. Kick left, kick right, out, in. Practice these steps with me. If you don't know the dance and you're trying to learn, kick right, kick left, out, slide in, right. Kick left, kick right, left, slide in. And this is what it looks like from the front. Kick right, kick left, right out, slide it in. Kick left, kick right, out, slide it in. Step turn. Now think of a step turn as going up on your right, kind of lifting up, and just twisting your body to the back. When you get ready to do the next one, your back foot is your lead foot. You're going to take it and twist it. Take it, step up, twist. That's an easier way to do it. Okay, so in the lean, you just lean into the side. Lean into the side. Lean into the side. Lean into the side. Do your lean. Do a mean lean. Do your lean. Don't do my lean, but you can do mine too. But lean. All right, and then that slide. Slide right. Slide left. And this is a 4-wall dance, so you're going to do the same dance. It starts over at the next wall. Slide right. Slide left. You guys ready to do it with the music? Let's try it with the music. Come on. Let's do this, y'all. You can do it. sexy man.